The Philips Dreamwear Silicone Pillows Mask is designed for comfort. The cushions come in 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and medium wide. You'll find a sizing gauge on the Quick Start Guide. In front of a mirror, hold the gauge horizontally under your nose. Choose the smallest size that will cover your nostrils and tip of your nose. In this case, a medium. Try it on by placing the soft cushion tips into your nostrils. You want the cushion base to sit comfortably under your nose without any gaps. Dreamwear frames are available in small, medium, and large. If your mask is not already assembled, begin by attaching your cushion to a medium frame. Align the triangles on the sides of the cushion to the ones on the mask frame and press until you hear them snap into place. Notice that the front of the cushion has a small opening. This allows exhaled air to escape and should never be covered. Now insert the elbow into the top of the mask frame. Push the tubing quick release into the elbow until it clicks into place. The quick release lets you easily connect and disconnect the tube, which is helpful if you get up to use the bathroom during the night. To add the headgear, position the mask with the cushion facing forward. Look for the R and L symbols on the headgear arms. Push the R headgear clip through the mask frame loop on the right and the L clip on the left. When you're done, the R and L symbols should face outwards. The Philips Respironics logo should be on the outside facing up and Dreamwear logo on the right. You have the option of wrapping soft fleece sleeves around the sides of the frame for added comfort. Position the seams on the outside away from your face. For optimal performance, the mask must be worn correctly. A medium frame works well for most people. As shown here, the elbow should rest at the top of your head and the frame should sit between your eye and your ear. If the mask frame falls backward and is too close to your ears, you may need a smaller mask frame. Notice how a properly fit medium frame compares to one that is too large. If the mask frame falls forward and is too close to your eyes, you may need a larger mask frame. You can see the difference in fit between a correctly sized frame compared to one that is too small. Selecting the correct size frame and cushion will help you enjoy the freedom and comfort of Philips Dreamwear Silicone Pillows Mask.